Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you're all good and well. Welcome back to the channel. And today I've got a recipe for you guys. So today I'm making lasagna. So I'm going to be using a kilo of mutton keema, ginger garlic paste, and the red sauce, Dolmio lasagna sauce, and the white one as well. And I'm going to use cheese, and I've got sheets here as well, onions. So I'm going to start the recipe now, and let's go. So first of all, I'm going to add some cooking oil into my pot. Not too much cooking oil because the meat is oily anyway, so just a little bit. And then I'm going to fry the onions. So I've got 2 medium-sized onions. I just add them in. I'm going to fry them first. Now the onions have changed color, so they've gone golden brown. So I'm going to add the minced meat in now. So that's 1 kg of minced meat. Just add that in. Let's fry that a little bit. Just leave it on low heat for about 15 minutes, and then we'll get back to it. Now I'm going to check on the mince, see how it's going. So I'm going to give it a good mix. Yeah, give it a good mix. And just break down the mince like this, just mash it up. So what I'm going to do now is add the spices in now. So first of all, I'm going to add the salt in. So that's 1 tablespoon of salt. Yeah. A tablespoon of chili flakes. Some thyme, dried thyme. Add that in. Just a teaspoon. Okay. Some parsley. Because that's just a tablespoon should be alright. And some basil. Just a tablespoon of basil. Some paprika. Just a teaspoon of paprika, not too much. Yeah. Just get that out, okay. And I'm going to add some ginger and garlic, fresh ginger garlic paste. It was just crushed, yeah. And that goes in, and then give that a good mix. Okay, so I'm just going to mix this up and then leave it for another 15 minutes. Okay, now I'll get back to that again. I'm going to add some water in there, so just a glass of water so that the meat is cooked properly, the mince. So leave that for another 10-15 minutes, okay? And then I'm going to add the sauce in. Give that a good mix. And just leave that. And now I shall add the lasagna sauce. So I'm using this one, Dolmio lasagna sauce, which is halal. I've checked the ingredients, so here are the ingredients. Everything is halal. Okay, so I'm just going to add that in. So 1 jar should be enough. Yeah, and then just gonna put some water in that. And then I'm gonna add some water in it, just a little bit. And then just some clean the garlic as well with water. Okay, so add that in. No need to waste anything, so just stir that, give that a good stir, good mix. And the sauce is mixed up with the keema nicely. And then this is nearly ready now. Another 10 minutes and then this is ready. Okay, so the keema's done now. Let's check on that. It's done, yeah. It's good. And now I'm gonna get the. So I'm going to add the lasagna sheets into boiling water. Okay. So I'm gonna do 3 at a time. Just soak them for about a minute. That should be alright. Yeah. Leave that for a minute. Okay, so I'm going to take these ones out and put them in the, place them into the tray, into the oven tray. I'll just take this one out. There. So I'm going to put them at the bottom first. Okay, that up. Okay, and now I'm going to add the mincemeat, the cooked mincemeat into the tray. Just layer this out. Okay, and then I'm just going to put the second layer on as well, so yeah, and then get the white sauce. Oh, sorry, you can't see. Let's put it over here. So I'll put the 1 layer of mince on there, and then I'm gonna add the white sauce on. So you can use a spoon if you want, but I'll just do it like this. And then add. Okay, so I've done, this is the second layer I've done now. And I'm going to add the white sauce on. I'm not sure if you saw the second layer being put on, so just going to mix that up, okay? So with a fork, I'm just going to move this sauce around a little bit. Yeah. Like that, okay, and then I'll add the sheets on. I'll just add these sheets on now. So I find it easier just putting the sheets into the boiling water before you put them onto the tray. You can put them on like that as well without putting them in the water, but I think they take a bit longer to cook, so I prefer it like this. And then this is the last layer of the, and sorry, I forgot. I'm just gonna add some more, yeah, that's it. Okay, so I forgot what I was doing. So I'm gonna add the last bit of keema on, like this. So I'm just quickly gonna add all the keema in there. Okay, so that was the last of the keema, and I'm gonna add the remaining lasagna white sauce. Okay, so I'm just gonna add the cheese in there now. Cover that with the cheese. So I've got all the cheese on now, and then I'm gonna cover the dish with the foil, like this, and then add it into the oven. So this will go into the oven now for 40 minutes. And mashallah, here was the lasagna. Looked really nice and tasted really nice as well. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more new recipes. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.